how to make the chai at home. Really, really easy. This is how we do it in the restaurants, this is how you're going to do it at home. Totally delicious. So first of all, you would have found a little tub with all the chai, which is the tea, and the spices in the kit. Just empty that into a saucepan. Next, take the ginger and put it into a pestle and mortar, and we're just going to bash that up a little bit just to release some of those juices and those aromas. Once that's done, you can put that in to the saucepan on top of the tea. To that, we're going to add some boiling water. This kettle's already boiled. Brilliant. And we're going to simmer that for 10 minutes. So just put that onto a medium heat. So 10 minutes are over. Now's the time to add your milk and your sugar to the saucepan. So choose the milk of your choice and sugar. And then once that's in, you need to wait another 10 minutes, and trust me, patience is rewarded. 20 minutes is gone. It's looking absolutely great in terms of color. Turn the hob off. I'm just going to strain off a cup of chai. Get rid of the solids and enjoy your chai.